All right, welcome back to another 6-minute quick win. And for today, the key question I want you to think about is your business card optimized for networking? I mean, think about it. In the next 6 to 9 months, are you going to be going to a conference or a networking event in your city, or maybe a chamber event, or any other kind of in-person business gathering of any kind? Because if you are, here's a tip for you to help you with your in-person networking. Because think about it. What's the one thing that's guaranteed to happen at an in-person networking event? Exchanging business cards, right? So I want you to go take a look at your business card. If you have it around you or in your wallet or somewhere on your desk, go find it and take a look at it, right? Now, business cards are two-sided. The front side is usually for your name, your company, and your contact info. So what's on the back side? Again, if you have your business card in front of you, go ahead and flip it over. What is on the back? Chances are it's probably something simple like what you're seeing on the right, a corporate logo, maybe a tagline. In fact, I did a tally of all the business cards I received in the past 12 months, 46 of them in total, and 78% of all the business cards I received, the backside looks something like that. So let me ask you a question. If you came back from your conference and you're looking at this business card from Johnny Appleseed, how likely are you to take a next step? Any next step, like email him, call him, Google the company, visit the website, anything at all, on a scale of 0 to 10. Now, go ahead and pick a number in your head. All right. Now, compare that to this. Instead of logo on the back, the business card had a thought-provoking question with a couple of interesting facts that you might not know. And most importantly, there are QR codes next to each fact that links to thought leadership or content pieces by Johnny Appleseed and his company. So, the same question as before then. You came back from a conference or networking event and you're looking at this business card. How likely are you to take a next step? Any next step, including scanning that QR code on a scale of 0 to 10. Now, I bet you that number is higher, right? Because think about it. Interesting facts get people curious, and curious people will take a next step if you make it easy. So why not do this for yourself? Because most people are not doing this. So now you can really stand out when you go networking. And chances are you probably already have the content created, because most likely you post on social media or write newsletters or blogs, which means all you have to do is find those content pieces that you want to showcase wherever they may live and put those links on the back of your business card. I mean, the space is there, right? A business card is always going to be two-sided. So why not use the space that's already available to generate curiosity for you and your services? I mean, think about it. Isn't that the whole point of networking in person? Getting the person that you're talking to be curious about you and your company? So the exercise for you today is to go find some content pieces that you want to showcase and put those links on the back of your business card. Because at an in-person event, your business card is the only physical object of yours that people are going to take home with them. So why not make it count? All right. Now, if you don't have any content pieces or thought leadership that you've already created, go ahead and check out this video on my right on how to write effective, action-oriented thought leadership content using guidelines from LinkedIn and with the help from ChatGPT. All right. I think you're really going to like it. All right. I'll see you there.